Hey guys, it's Emily here. So I have a package from Spirit Halloween, and it's a pretty big package. But like I only ordered one thing, so I'm not too sure why it came in such a big package. Like look at this, that's big. So I'm gonna open it up and I'm gonna show you guys what I got. This is my Halloween costume from this year, so I'm super excited. I was Emily from Cope's Bride for 3 years. I know that's kind of crazy, but I love her so much. So I was so happy to dress as her. But this year I was like, I kind of want to be something different. Last year I kind of felt the same way, but I was like, you know what, I'm gonna be her for one more time. And last year I actually did like the makeup in a way. I had blue face last time. But yeah, I was always excited to be her, but I'm like, this year I want to be something different. And I thought this outfit was really cute and I could just wear it as like just a dress. So I was like, you know what, that would be really cool to do, because like most of the time when you get costumes, you wear it for that night and then you don't wear it again. But this like can be reused, so that's great. Okay, we are opening it up. We got tons of this stuff. Tons of this. Oh my goodness. Okay, here it is. I got a 20% off. Oh, I got a 20% off coupon, which I don't really need that because I already got everything. I mean, I could use it later. So here's the costume. The only thing that's really weird is out of the package. I guess that's why it's in the box. It's like out of the bag. I don't know why it's like that. That's a little weird. Let me get rid of this box. I had to order a medium because they sold out of the smalls. But yeah, this is what I got. It's like a witch dress. They call it something different though. But this is like really, really cute. Let me try to, they have it like zip tied. I need my scissors. This is so weird. I don't know why they have it outside of the, like the package thing. That kind of weird, because I just hope no one returned it or something. Still has the tag and stuff on it, so it looks fine. So this is what it is. It's a big, oh, okay, I need to stand up. Oh my goodness. So it is a dress type, and obviously you can tell. And the back is longer. So it's longer, and it has like this really cute flowery material lace at the bottom. Very cute. And then the sleeves is long like this, and it has like a cutout type of thing with material. And then here's the other side, and it has this cute moons and stars to it, and the fabric is velvet. Oh my god, I can't talk. But yeah, and then it has like strings here. So that is what it looks like. I'll stand back so you guys can see it more. That's what it looks like. That's in the back. I don't know why, like I still don't know why it's out of the package. It looks fine, so I don't think anyone returned it. This is, okay, I need to say this right now. This is not on the website anymore. And the reason, this is the backstory. So the reason because of that, first of all, when I went to the Spirit, so this was Friday the 13th in September. They did not have this dress. They legit had all the witch costume, like, I mean, maybe I missed them, but I looked at every single costume, because I just love looking at that stuff. And I didn't see any witch costume. They only had this one type. It was like a skirt, and it was like it was black, but the moon, like it kind of had this pattern, but the moon was like blue and stuff, and it was a cute skirt, but I feel like it would, well, first it wouldn't keep you warm, and I feel like that looked more like for a Halloween party type of thing, because for me it doesn't really look like a witch costume. But they had that. They had one on display, and then they had one in the package. And so I was like, oh my god, they don't have my dress. They did have my witch, I did get a witch hat that matched the exact same pattern. So they did have the witch hat, so I was able to get that. But when I looked online, I waited for a long time because I had money issues. So I was unable to get this dress right away. I wanted to keep on waiting because I didn't want to blow my money out all at once. So I knew I didn't want to get this dress at some point. So I was like, I'll get it closer to the time. Well, obviously that's a bad idea because they sold out of my size. I was going to get a small. They sold out of it. And then when I went back, because what really happened is I ordered it from, I went through PayPal and I ordered it. So I thought I got it, but I never, like I got my receipt from PayPal, but I never got an email from Spirit that said, oh, thank you for your order. And so I went to my PayPal a few days ago because I'm like, I should have got something that was shipped a while. Well, it never turned out in my PayPal, and technically they canceled it because they didn't have any size small, but on the website they didn't change it yet. So I couldn't find this outfit at all. And I'm like, are you serious? They don't even have the dress anymore? And since I saved it to my cart, and I think I saved it another time, I was able to go back on it because it wasn't on the website at all when you looked up this dress, like which dress or the Coven hoodie dress, whatever you looked up, it did not show up. So since I had it saved in my cart, I was able to see it. So I didn't check the other sizes, but obviously I knew the size small was sold out, so my next size would be medium. So I clicked on the medium. They had 2 available. So I was like, you know what, I'm getting this right now. I'm getting this quick. And it even sent to my old address. So my mom had to go and get the package from the old address because I forgot to change it because I was such in a rush. I'm like, I need to get this dress now before something happens. So maybe this dress was in a Spirit sew and they had it open. Maybe someone tried it on or whatnot and they just had it back there and stuff. So maybe that's why. So yeah, so I'm so glad I got it. Sorry for that sewing time, but I'm so happy I got this, even though it was a hassle to get this dress. So yeah, I'm super happy to get it. I wish I could try it on for you guys, but I have to use my phone because I don't have a camera. I mean, I have a camera, but I don't have a computer is what I meant to say. So, but follow me on Instagram because I will post a lot of photos when I'm in this dress with my witch hat. Like I said, the witch hat matches this pattern. It has like it has the like this on the like top of the witch hat, well the bottom of the witch hat, sorry, and then it has this pattern all over the witch dress hat. Oh my god, I did so much talking. But yeah, so I'll definitely post a lot of photo of me in this. So just make sure you follow my account in our town of Halloween. Again, in our town of Halloween. That's my Halloween account. Or you can follow my personal LoveEmily21. So yeah, I'll link it down like below, like what my username is. So you guys can just like copy and paste it and look it up then if you want to. But yeah, I'll definitely post a lot of photos of me wearing this dress. So yeah, so I hope you guys liked this video, even though it was really long and I was telling you guys a sewing. But I really do like this dress. I just hope it fits. That's the only thing I'm worried about. Since I had to get a medium, it might be a little bit too big, but hopefully I can fix it somehow. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching.